Today's video is going to be seriously exciting. If you've built up a massive collection of Steam games, you already know the pain you can't carry your PC everywhere, which means your favorite titles are stuck at home. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that lets you emulate Steam games on almost any Android device? Like magic, meet GameNative, an underground Steam emulator that's gaining major attention in the emulation community. From blockbuster AAA games to hidden indie gems, it runs fast, feels smooth, and yes, it actually works. Best of all, it's legal and completely safe. So stay tuned, because in this video, we'll walk through how to install GameNative, add your games, and apply the best settings for top-tier performance. Let's try GameNative. The project is fully open source, so this is the GameNative. You can easily get the APK from their official GitHub or website. The size of the APK is about 1 gigabyte, and you could see an unsafe app blocked warning. But as far as I know, it's safe and you can install it anyway. The interface of GameNative is really premium. When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to log in with your Steam account. Enter your Steam ID and password, or you can use a QR code. Just open the Steam mobile app and scan the QR code to sign in. And remember to click on Start Session after filling in the details. That's how you properly log in. Now, if you don't already have a Steam account, don't worry. Just go to the official Steam website, provide some general information, and create one Steam account. It's quick and free. All the games available on your Steam account will appear in the GameNative game library. If you're completely new and looking for free games, you'll first need to install the Steam app from the Google Play Store. So download and install the Steam app. After installing, log in using your Steam ID and password. Next, search for free games or use the filter option and set the price value to free. This section includes all the official free games offered by Steam. Now, a very ideal question: which games can you play? Right now, GameNative can only run low-end games. So find out small games in size and click on it. Scroll down a bit and hit the Add to Library button. Once added, that game will now also show up inside your GameNative. Now open the game you want to play and click Install. Before installation, it will show you the required storage space. The game will install quickly, and once it's done, you'll be ready to play. Once your games are inside GameNative, it's time to optimize them for performance. Tap on the question button, then go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the options. It's quite similar to winlator, which you've probably used before. Allowed orientation is OK, landscape. Open modify default config, then reduce the resolution for smoother gameplay, especially if you're on a mid-range device. You can enable Turnip for Adreno or VerGL for non-Snapdragon graphics drivers to improve compatibility. Set DXVK as DX wrapper. Enable Show FPS and adjust the video memory size depending on how much RAM your phone has. I would like to set it to 4096 megabytes. Other options are OK, I think. In the Zinc description, set to auto. You can also add custom GPU driver, but currently this option is not available. Set Box 64 preset to performance. There's also processor affinity, which indicates processor cores. At the bottom, you'll find performance presets. I recommend choosing aggressive mode for better frame rates. After adjusting everything, tap the save icon at the top to apply your settings. Now let's talk about controls. Fortunately, GameNative supports both controllers as well as touchscreen, and it looks very similar to winlator. Keep in mind that GameNative is still very new. Some games might not work as expected. In my testing, a few didn't get past the loading screen, and some only showed a black screen. At the moment, you can only play low-end games, so we'll have to wait for future updates to improve compatibility and fix these bugs. I've personally tested GameNative on my phone and successfully played games like Stray, Outer Wilds, Raji, and Balatro. GameNative has added a whole new dimension to the gaming world. Now, you don't need a PC or a Steam Deck to enjoy your favorite Steam games, because Android can be your ultimate gaming machine anytime, anywhere. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.